that face over here, and it's like...
A little peel-based action for you. Let's do this. What's up, sugar peeps? Welcome to Sugar's Unapologetic Nail channel. Today's video I'll be doing a glitter gel-X method. These are the products I'll be using: my RNS Fairy top coat as my peel base method, and my Born Pretty 6-piece cozy collection, my mini Model 1's lamp, and my 3XL stiletto nails. So I had some technical difficulties, and the last half of my video is just gonna go straight till the end. I apologize for the delay and hope that you still love this video. So thank you all so much for all your love and support. It truly means so much. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you how I'm peeling off these beautiful nails, and there is top coat still left on my nails. And look at that. Look at that. How freaking awesome is that? Now, I don't recommend peeling these off, but it left my nails untouched and beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Look at them though. They're really super healthy. All I have to do, I basically did nothing and added top coat. I only had that one pop off, so that's what initiated this video. I just kind of wanted to do a different way, like the same way, but more structure than my live, okay? And some days we just have brain farts, y'all, and that's just the way it is, okay? And that's just how it's gonna be on my channel. We all know, okay, that we all have brain farts. We're not always on top of everything, and that's just the way it is, okay? And I'm not afraid to show that, clearly. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my nail tips. And I forgot, but I'm gonna be using the 6-in-1 nail glue from Born Pretty. This is pretty good stuff, guys. When I'm doing this, I do 2 coats, 2 thin coats, but I make sure I literally get the entire nail, sides, tip, and everything, because I don't want the 6-in-1 to stick to any part of my nail at all. I always cure for 60 seconds no matter what. Here are the finished nails. This is 2 coats, and I absolutely love this, you guys. I have my little lamp here. I have my nail tips, and we're going to be using the Born Pretty BP SQ02, and this is the chunkier silvery gold color. This is essentially base coat with glitter in it, y'all. Okay? And that is what this is without the glitter, and just a little bit more thicker of a consistency because it's used for 6 different things, but it's essentially the same thing. So we're going to be using this as our gel-X method. All right, so we're going to experiment and see how it goes, see how long it lasts, if it truly holds up the same as this. Because if it holds up the same as this, then yeah, we have even more ways to do the gel-X method. Take this, and we're going to brush an even thin coat on the nail to get an even glitter look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. If you want a simple glitter encapsulated look, kind of manipulate the glitters to however you want them on the nail, and just make sure it's very thin, but you get every area of the nail. Add, you know, a little bit of glitter in places that may need it, because this has medium and small glitters. Look at that. Look how pretty. So make sure you take a brush. I have brush with alcohol, but I'm just going to do this for now. But you can take a brush. Make sure you clean up any excess gel around your fingers. Flash cure her, okay? 30 seconds. So I don't actually know how this is going to look with such a huge glitter. Add more glitter effect once we add that second layer into the nail tip itself. This we cured to keep in place for the even encapsulated look, right? So now you can either do 2 things. Go in with your clear and do it that way, or you can experiment like me. And if you want it to last long, then you can etch the inside. However, I'm not, so yeah. And I take one side off, and I'm just gonna go like this, and we're just gonna spread this out, add that glitter a little bit past that point, because a lot of this is gonna get pushed up, right? So we're gonna just kind of, it's gonna act like a fade almost. We're gonna add a little bit more at the bottom, so I just wanted to fan that out first. And I'm going to take my gel and get this, you know, a little bit as much as I can down here so I know it's going to stay. Remember, y'all, I'm just experimenting because I was thinking about it, and why not, right? Alright, guys. So I'm going to move her all the way. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to turn my light on. I'm just going to barely put it in there so it sticks for a minute. Once you push it and it comes out the sides. I pushed it a little too hard, so a lot of it came out, but we can get that off. And if you mess up, it's okay, because you can always glitterify the top of it with some gems and, you know, file it down, then put some gems on, and boom, there you go. Nobody can tell that you messed up. You know what I'm saying? So that's what she looks like. I think it actually looks pretty cool, and not too much came out, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, and I'm just going to paint a little bit more in that said area, so it literally looks like it's fading down. So we're going to use this red.
I just wanted to try the encapsulated look. Oh, look at that red, you guys. Oh, yes. Now this one, you're going to want to do thin coats. So I will evenly spread this out once I get it on here. I just got it everywhere because I'm shaking.
So we're just going to take this because I don't want to add any more. You want as thin of a layer as possible when you're encapsulating like chunky glitter like this. So I'm just going to spread this out so it's even on the nail, so it looks beautiful when it's encapsulated. Don't push too far up to your cuticle because you don't want to flood it, and I just did that. Don't mind me. Go ahead and cure this so nothing moves. Take the 6-in-1 glue from Born Pretty. You know, we're not just doing one thing, and I'm actually showing you this as well, but in a more structured way than I did the last time.
Oh yeah, she's perfect, guys. She's perfect. So I'm gonna let that cure for the full 60 seconds.
Did it! And it went all the way up this time, and it's rounded. How cool is that? That just gives you different sort of ways to do an entire set, but really quick, really fast, and beginner friendly. We're gonna do the pinky, and we're gonna use this beautiful silver. Let's go ahead and cure her. Let's put our little bit here. So remember, your coat that you want enough that it's going to adhere to the nail. You want a good proper adhesion, because this is not as thick as your normal base coat. So I'm going to use my brush to kind of fan it down a little better than I did the last one. So, you know, you always learn and perfect as you go, you know? And I want to make sure I get the sides really well. So I'm going to take one side off. I got a little bit that came out the sides, but that's okay. As long as she's straight, man. Love that glitter. Like, oh my god. I did have some spill out just a hair right here. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to marble the opaqueness of the white with the glitters to see what we could come up with, and to see how it would kind of turn out to encapsulate something different, like a marble. So this is what my thought process was, and it looked really cool, and I really liked the marble part, but it kind of just got out of hand. So you guys let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this one or not. This one's more of my favorite than the first one I did, and yeah. So now I'm just adding the 6-in-1, and we're getting ready to just encapsulate that marble, which they look awesome from there. I should have just stopped there, but now I'm adding extra glitter to kind of give it that sparkle down at the end. And because I want to do the crackle look, you know, the frosted look, and y'all, I don't know. You guys will have to let me know what you think about the crackle part. The red in this was so like, it was just so much. You just need a tiny bit of that red, guys. Just a tiny bit. And it goes for a while. So I'm just adding in that top coat to make sure it's not sticky. I forgot to film. Okay, our plan didn't work out. It looks like crapola. I just added this and forgot to film. So I just wanted it a little bit more at the bottom, and you can't even tell. So we're just going to cure that, and we're going to draw some stripes on there. Really see that glass portion? Look at that glass look though. This is a frosted look with glitter, and it actually does look pretty cool. We're gonna do some Christmas ornaments on this one, and we're gonna do stars though.
2,000 years later.
Come up, Mr. Sticker. Oh, they lifted right off. How freaking nice was that? Okay.
I went through heck with this set, y'all. Because I can't never just make it simple. Can anybody relate to that? So we're gonna stick this one here. Alright guys, so it's time for the nail art portion. I'm using the white from the 6-piece set. And y'all, when I was thinking about this, I was thinking a beard with ornaments hanging from it. I don't know why that was my brain, but hey man, it is what it is. And I'm just going to draw this line and fix it up because, you know, your girl isn't perfect and I'm very shaky. But I don't know how I feel about this set. It's not my favorite set in the world. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I'm adding the top coat to seal in the stickers. And if I mess up, I can just wipe it off. But I'm also adding the string for the ornaments as well. This was really super easy. It's all about the pressure that you add. So less pressure means you don't have that much on there. More pressure means you're gonna have thicker lines. So this part right here really made this pop, like the ornaments pop. So you guys let me know what you guys think. So it's gonna jump straight to the end, and I'm so sorry I do not have that footage. It's been crazy, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you love this video. Subscribe to my channel, become part of the family. And this was the first final look. Then this, I added the lines on both the nails, and this is the blinged out look, and this is what she still looks like after 5 days. 5 days, y'all. I took the beads off because I didn't like them. But what do you guys think of this set? Let me know, and I'll catch you on the flip side with another video.